If you lost the special tool to take off the head of your angle grinder, well, I'm sorry, I've lost mine too. Like, you can't borrow it. But what I did is I first made sure it was safe. I unplugged it, and then I took these two little bolts right here, and I stuck them in there just like that. And then I put it in here, and I spun it, but I held down the little button on the side. That little button. Let's see if I can. No, I can't. So I'm going to have to try to prop you up somewhere. Hopefully you can see it there. See, you hold that down, you spin it until it catches. There we go. And then you wedge these into the two bolts and you lose your grip. There we go. And boom, she's out. That wasn't so hard. Then you just take your cutting disc out, put that grinder back in somehow. Did I ruin something? Oh. Make sure that you have all the parts of your thing assembled before you assemble the next one. That's a good tip, watch out for that. But yeah, get it back together, screw it back together, and there you go.